Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a super fun blue look. I really hope you guys like it. First, I am going to be applying my foundation. I am using the L'Oreal True Match today and blending that in with my beauty blender. And then I do already have my eyebrows done. I did that off camera, but I did use the e.l.f. brow pencil. Before I start my eyeshadow, I am going to set my eyelids using a translucent powder. And for today's look, I'm going to start by using the Laura Lee Party Animal palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Damage Control, and I am applying that using the Luxie 249 brush. And I'm just applying that little by little all throughout my crease just to build the color up slowly so that I can make sure everything is as blended as possible. Next, I'm going to be using the shade Varadero from the Reina del Caribe palette from Alamar Cosmetics, and I'm going to be applying that with the same brush that I used before, just the other side, and I'm going to be packing that on slowly and then building it up to blend it into the crease. Now that I'm done with my eyeshadow, I'm going to be applying my concealer, and this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I'm going to be blending that in using my beauty blender. Next, I am going to be setting my entire face, and like I usually do, I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder. And before I finish the rest of my face, I am going to be taking that first shade we used, which is Damage Control, and I'm going to be applying that all over my entire bottom lash line, and I'm using the e.l.f. blending brush to apply that. To contour today, I'm going to be using the Morphe E4 brush and the Benefit Hoola bronzer. And then, like always, I'm going to be using my favorite bronzer, the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deep. And now for blush, I am going to be using the Alamar Cosmetics Colorete Blush Trio, and I'm using the shade Isla. Now for the fun part to highlight, I'm going to be using the shade La Costa from the same Alamar Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. And I'm also going to be applying that to the inner corners of my eyes just to add a pop of shimmer and a sort of different color to add some dimension to the look. And for lashes, I'm going to be using my same old Maybelline Great Lash, and I'm going to be applying the Ardell Wispies. For For lips today, I'm going to first be applying a Colourpop lipstick, and this is in the shade Mija, and this is from the Becky G collaboration. And after I applied my lipstick, I felt like I needed to add a gloss just to make my lips match the level of extraness that my eyeshadow was. So I dug through my drawers and I found a gloss in the same shade, and this is from Laurent, and this is in the shade Posh. And that's it for this look, you guys. It was a super quick one, but I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know what you think down below. Leave me a comment. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And also don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next, as always. And thank you guys so much for watching.